Good morning. I am Aishwarya B. I am studying Tally Prime in SST Academy, Porur. Today I am going to explain about the basics of accounts. So what is an account? Account is the systematic process of recording all the business transactions of a company in a chronological order. The process of recording it is called the accounting, and the definition goes like this. Accounting is the systematic process of recording the business transaction. It is the process of identifying means analyzing the business transactions which may be cash or credit in nature, and then measuring them based on the amount, the supplier, customers, and then reporting the financial information of an entity. So recording them based on the classification and nature of accounts. And there are several stages in the preparation of accounting process, and the first stage is journal. Journal is the first books of accounts, which is the first step which we do before entering the other steps, where the accounts are classified in a form of T table, and we follow the golden rules where the accounts are where it follows a dual system of record accounting, because all the entries that we record has a corresponding entry in the other place, which is called as credit and debit. Credit is nothing but when an asset is increased, when a liability is increasing or an equity is increasing, we use the credit transaction entry, and if an asset is decreasing or an expense is decreasing, we also use the credit transaction. And in case of a debit, if an asset increases or an expense increases, we write the transactions on the debit side, and if a liability decreases or an equity decreases, we use the debit side. And what is a voucher? Voucher is the written document which is a prima facie evidence, that is the primary evidence that is used by the business transaction, that supports the recording of all the financial statements in the organization. And also example for voucher is invoice, which is also a type of voucher, and also paying slips, cash receipts, etc. And the next step after recording the transactions in the journal is the ledger process, which is the process of recording in ledger is called posting, where the accounts, after creating all the accounts, we should categorize them according to the heads, and on the journal entries which are recorded are categorized into the nature of accounts, and we put them under the separate account heads called, for example, we have maintained cash account, so all the transactions related to a cash account is entered in a separate ledger book called cash book. And also we follow 5 nature of accounts based on the category of accounts we follow. They are assets, liabilities, expense, revenue, and assets. So let us discuss them in a brief.